One question that I've been being asked quite a few times now, and I thought I'll do a quick video to respond back to it, is why does my ERP need a low-code, no-code app automation platform like Swift? So we know the ERP is kind of a core business application that runs your business essentially, right? So it's a system of record. Primarily, what ERP is, it's a system of record. Now, the things that really need innovation are not going to be on the ERP, right? Because that serves a purpose which is doing pretty well. The innovation is around engagements, is around your customer engagements, your customer experience, your partner engagements, your employee engagements, your um, agility around the interactions that you have with your ecosystem in which your business operates, right? So that cannot be in your system of record because system of record serves a purpose. A system of engagement is required, which we've all seen a lot of different ways people have been doing it. They've been launching portals and they've been using customer relationship management software and partner relationship management software, and they've been integrating it back to the ERP. Now, things change a lot. I mean, people who worked on the customer experience side, they know that it's very different than implementing an ERP. ERP has its own challenges, but it's very structured, whereas the system of engagement is very unstructured, right? Things change fast, the expectations change fast, and you have to keep innovating in order for you to retain that engagement with your customers and your partners and also your employees. So you need innovation and you need agility in your system of engagement layer. And if you are following a typical development lifecycle or even a typical implementation lifecycle of how you do with your ERP or with your system of records, if you apply the same thing for a system of engagement, it's not going to work because you're going to be just way too constrained in the approach how you're going to build those systems and roll systems out and take feedback from that group of users that are using those systems. That's where you need innovation, you need agility, and you need a way where uh, you don't have to follow a typical development lifecycle, where your power users, your business analysts, who are facing those business problems much earlier, or are those who have the front seat into uh, those problems that your customers or partners and your employees are facing, they should be your HR people, your sales people, your marketing people, your customer service people, your distribution people. They should be the ones who own up that system of engagement. And for them to be able to own that up, they need to be able to create that and those applications that are going to run in that system of engagement, in system of engagement layer. And that's where the app automation, that's where the low code, no code becomes big. And now the other question comes in that if I have a system of record and if I create ad hoc system of engagements with no governance, um, you're right. I mean, that's going to be a disaster because you're going to create different things that are not compliant with your policies that you put together in the ERP. So that's where you need not just a low-code, no-code platform, but a low-code, no-code app automation platform that can integrate directly with your ERP, can inherit all the business logic you already have in your ERP or in your system of record. And that's where it becomes game-changing for having an app automation platform like Swift, which inherits everything you've got in your system of record and gives the power to those power users and to your business analysts to be able to create all sorts of these interfaces on mobile, on tablet, on scanner, on web, for you to be able to create those system of engagement layer. Now, there's another layer which is a system of intelligence, and that's where things like Chat GPT come into play, and we'll talk about that in a separate video. But here I just wanted to clarify why your ERP needs an app automation layer, which is going to be outside of the system of record in which the ERP resides, and how those two together need to be integrated seamlessly without having to without having to do a lot of hand coding on having to integrate all the APIs and whatnot. Hope that clarifies. Looking forward to sharing more and learning more from you guys as well. Take care. Bye.